Space Tech Expo 2019 with Ross Bannatyne from VORAGO. Welcome to Space Tech Expo TV, first of all.
Thank you, it's a pleasure to be here.
Ross, give us some background to the company, because you've been around for quite a while, but you've had a couple of names as well.
That's right. Actually, the company started in 2004, known as Silicon Space Technologies. 2015, we changed our name to VORAGO Technologies, and since then we've been focused on commercializing the radiation-hardened products that we've been creating.
And Ross, there's a hunger, isn't there, for new space, people getting into low Earth orbit, going to the moon, maybe even Mars. What is that demand having as an impact on your business?
It's led to a demand for cost-effective radiation-hardened components to facilitate this new space industry, because these satellites have much more challenging cost budgets than the more traditional larger satellites that are being used in space. So really it's led to a demand for low-cost radiation-hardened components that we provide.
And we're talking radiation hardened there. Why is it just so important then for these space systems?
Well, conventional semiconductors weren't intended for use in space, and there's a number of different space radiation effects that can kill a component. So we mitigate against those effects by designing the product for use in space.
And what are the challenges in that process?
The challenge is to create a product that's going to be robust enough that you can fully test and qualify. And we try to leverage commercial technologies like the ARM processor core. We leverage commercial manufacturing to benefit from the high volume, high quality manufacturing and commercial processes that are out there. But really the challenge is to maintain the recipe that's been proven to be effective over many years, the traceability, the reduction of lot-to-lot variability, and create a product that's really designed for use in space that follows the traditional recipes but is cost-effective enough to be used in new space.
Now, as a component supplier then, what's the next 5 years looking like for you guys?
Well, we see enormous growth in CubeSats and more challenging budgets. The type of components that we're creating that are programmable with a big ecosystem of tools means that you can reuse a lot of software that's been developed. So our aim is to build on those building blocks that we have in the core and the ecosystem and make it easy for people to get space projects developed quickly.
Ross, thank you for your time.
You're very welcome. Thank you.